Good morning, children. Did you complete revising exercise 1 and 2? Okay. Now, before we begin the revision of exercise 3 and 4, let us revise the formulas that we have learnt. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of a triangle is equal to half length into breadth or half base into height. Area of a rhombus is equal to half d1 d2. d1 is the diagonal and d2 is the other diagonal. So these are the formulas that we are going to use in our next exercises. Area of a triangle is equal to half length into breadth. That is, if you consider a rectangle, if you divide the rectangle into two parts by drawing a diagonal, you are going to get two triangles. And the formula for that is half of length into breadth. Or you can even take this as, if it is a parallelogram, if you draw a line diagonally, you can see that it is going to be divided into two triangles. And how are we going to get the area of each triangle? It is going to be half base into height. Half base into height. Area of a rhombus. Rhombus, you know that it is nothing but a parallelogram which has all sides equal, diagonals bisect each other. So here when you draw the diagonals, diagonal means from one vertex to the opposite vertex, if you draw a line, it is called as a diagonal. So two diagonals can be drawn for a rhombus and it is half d1 d2. Understood this, children? Copy these two formulas in your chart. Exercise 3, let us do the fifth problem. ABCD rectangle with AB is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 16 centimeters and AE is equal to 4 centimeters. Find the area of triangle BEC. BCE. So let us see B, C and E. This area we have to find out. Is the area of BEC equal to the sum of the areas of BAE and CDE? This is what you have to find out. So for that, let us first find out the area of this smaller triangle. Let's write now. So let's write the solution. Area of triangle BCE is equal to, area of a triangle is half base into height. So half base into height. So here you can see that this is half and the base is 16 centimeters. So let's write 16 centimeters into height is 8 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters. If you draw a line perpendicular, it's going to be the same. The breadth is going to be the same. So it is 8 centimeters. Let's cancel. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. So 8 8s are 64. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter or centimeter square. Understood? So the first part is finished. Let us do the next part. The next part is we have to find out the area of triangle BAE. Here they gave the triangle BAE. BAE. This is the part. And here you know that this is the height and this is the base. So half base into height. So this is equal to half into base is 4 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. Now let's cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. Understood? Now let us find out the area of triangle CDE. CDE, it is given in the question, so we are finding out. Half Base into height. Half. What is the base here? C, D, E. The base is 12 and the height is 8. 12 centimeters into 8 centimeters. Now let's cancel. 2 ones are 2 6 are. 6 eights are 48. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters. So now you have to show that the area of triangle BCE, we are checking this. Area of triangle BCE is equal to area of triangle BAE plus area of triangle CDE. So let's substitute the values. This is 16 centimeter square plus 48 centimeter square. If you add 4 plus 8, 6 plus 8 is 14, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 64 centimeter square. So here you can see that the area of triangle BCE, you got it as 64 centimeters. And here if you have found out as the sum of these two triangles, you got the same area. Understood this? Did you get the same area? Yes. And what is the reason for this? Three triangles drawn between two parallel lines are equal. Understood? Let us write the reason here. Triangle BEC, triangle BAE and triangle CDE are three triangles drawn between two parallel lines BC and AD. Okay, so you know that BC will be equal to AE plus ED. AE plus ED. Understood this, children? Write in your homework books. Let's do the ninth problem. The area of a triangle is equal to the area of the rectangle whose length and breadth are 20 centimeters and 15 centimeters respectively. Calculate the height of the triangle if its base measures 30 centimeters. So whatever is given in the question, let's write that. So they have given area of a triangle is equal to area of a rectangle. Now let us write the formulas for these two. You know that the area of a rectangle is equal to half base into height. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a triangle is half base into height. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Now let us substitute the values. So this is half. Base is given as 30 centimeters. Here you can see the base measures 30 centimeters. So 30 centimeters. And height you have to find out. So let us write height as it is. This is equal to length. Length is 20 centimeters into 15 centimeters. It is given in the question itself. Length and breadth respectively it is given. So 20 into 15 centimeters. Now let us cancel. This is 5. 2 ones are 2 15s are 30. So now here multiplication, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes division. So this side you are left with height which is equal to 20 centimeters into 15 centimeters whole divided by 15 centimeters. 15 and 15 gets cancelled. So the height you got it as 20 centimeters. Understood this, children? Copy in your homework book. Now let us do the 13th problem in exercise 3. The base and height of the triangle are in the ratio 3:2 and its area is 108 centimeters square. Find its base and height. So first thing, whenever a ratio is given, we have to consider it as any variable. Okay. So let us write the first step, which is let the base be, ratio is given as 3:2, so it is 3x, and height be 2x. Height be 2x. Now, area of a triangle. We are finding out the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Now let us substitute the values. So this is equal to half into base is 3x, height is 2x. Height is 2x. Area of the triangle, it is given as 108 square centimeters or centimeter square. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so it is 3x square. 3x square. So let us write 108 centimeter square is equal to 3x square. Okay. So this implies we are going to keep this x here. 3 multiplication, when it is transposed, it becomes division. So it is x square is equal to 108 centimeter square whole divided by 3. Let's cancel. 3 3s are 9. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Now x square, you got it as 36 square centimeters. Now this implies that x square, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes square root 36 centimeter square. So x is equal to, we have to write this as a square, that is root of 6 6 are 36. So 6 square and centimeter square. So this implies x is equal to 6 centimeter. 1 centimeter is cancelled and 1 centimeter will come out of the root. So x value you got it as 6 centimeters. Now let us find out base. Base is equal to 3x. So 3 into 6 centimeters. 6 3s are 18 centimeters you got. Okay, 18 centimeters. Now let us find out the height. Height we have to find out. Height is 2x. So 2 into 6 centimeters. 2 6 are 12. So it is 12 centimeters. Understood this, children? We are selecting the problems randomly and solving. Remaining problems you have to solve. Understood, children? Copy this in your homework books. Now let us do exercise 4, fourth problem. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. The diagonals of each of the tiles are 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if cost per square meters is rupees 250. That is 2 rupees 50 pice. Understood the question? So now let us write what is given. They have given the diagonals. So D1 they have given it as 45 centimeters. D2 diagonal 2 is given as 30 centimeters, and then here the cost for square meter, meters they gave. Here centimeters are given and here meter is given. So we have to convert these centimeters to meters. Centimeters to meters. How many centimeters make 1 meter, children? 100 centimeters make 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This you have to know. Okay, it's very important that you remember this. Now let us find out the value. For 1 meter it is 100 centimeters. For 45 centimeters, how much? Cross multiplication we have to do. That is 45 divided by 100. 45 divided by 100. So this is nothing but 2 zeros are there. So after 2 digits you have to keep a point. So it is 0.45. So now let us write this 0.45 meters. 0.45 meters. Now same thing here if you do, it is going to become 30 divided by 100. So this is going to be 0.30 or 0.3. Okay, 0.30 meters. Understood till here, children? Here the cost is given for square meters. So we are converting centimeters to meters, and now we are going to find out the area of one tile. Okay, area of each tile. Area of each tile is equal to half d1 d2. Half d1 d2, that is product. So this is equal to half into d1 is 0.45 into d2 is 0.30. Let's cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is the remainder. 2 5s are 10. Now let us multiply this. So it is 0.45 into 0.15. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 22. Okay, then 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 zeros are 0. This is 5, 7, 6 and 0. Point where it is going to come after point 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 digits you are going to keep a point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep a point. So the answer here is 0.0675. 0.0675 square meters. So this is meter and the meter. Meter into meter is square meter. Understood this, children? Now we have to find out the area of 3000 tiles. Now area of 3000 tiles is 3000 into this one we have to do. 3000 into 0.0675. Let's multiply. 675. 0 point is there. So this into 3000. Okay. 3 zeros. Now let us multiply with 3 and after that we are going to add up 3 zeros. 3 5s are 15. 3, so let's write off 3 zeros first. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21, 22. Okay. 3 6s are 18, 19, 20. 2 here. So 2 is going to come here. So now let us see after how many digits we have to keep a point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 202.5. Okay, when zeros are there you can exclude them. Okay, so this is 202.5 meter square. Now we have to find out the cost of polishing. The cost of polishing the floor. Polishing the floor is equal to what we have to do? 202.5 this number of tiles into, that is, this is meter square cost. Instead of meter square we have to write the money. How many rupees? 2.50. This is the cost. 2.5. Now let us multiply and see. This is nothing but 202.5 into 2.50 is nothing but you can take it as 2.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. If you add this, here I don't have space. Here I don't have space, so I am adding and writing here. This is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 506.25. So the cost is 506.25. Understood this, children? Copy in your homework books and see you in the next class, children. Practice all the problems.